Hello everyone! Start off by taking this blue sheet of paper. At the bottom, stick the yellow. Now take some semicircular sheets of red paper, arrange it in the shape of a crab. Add these grass-like shapes and vines out of some green paper. Add lines to them as well. Next, take a leaf and then cut it up into half, and then add another piece on top of this with the stem standing up. Add a face coming out from it as such. Add the eyes, then draw the blushing cheeks. Add leaves falling from the top as such. Next, we'll start off by taking a strip of yellow paper, add some grass at the bottom made out of green paper, and then add multiple black strips onto the yellow paper and stick it all together. Add the wings on either side as well, add the antenna at the top, the eyes and the mouth at the front, add flowers at the bottom all around. Next, take this pink sheet of paper that is cut out in an ovular shape, then take a green sheet of paper, make these tawny shapes out of it, and stick them all around. Now add multiple dots onto the white portion in the middle, and there you have a dragon fruit. Next, we'll start off by taking an 8 cm diameter sheet of paper. Take 5 of them, stick them one on top of the other, then add a thread in the middle of this, add the basket underneath it and stick the parts to it. Now after this, tie a rubber band at the back, or rather tie a knot at the back and move it. Next, take these leaves, cut it out in their shapes accordingly, draw on the top marker of it, that is the leaf and the branch, and then afterwards do this for various fruits. You've done it for the apple, pears, and then we're also doing it for a pineapple as such. You may add animations to it such as sunglasses, a smile, arms and legs accordingly. Next, we'll start off by taking this green sheet of paper, cut out this heart shape out of it, reverse it and then put it as such. Put multiple of them in levels and then add a bark of a tree underneath it, make it look like a Christmas tree. Add a star on top of it all. Now add this present to it. Next, take a blue sheet of paper. Afterwards, cut out this umbrella shape out of it. Cut out 5 of these pieces and then stick it at the top. Now, add this umbrella branch underneath it. Now, after this, take multiple earbuds, cut it up and then add them as raindrops. Draw the circular shape and then afterwards, add tape in the circular shape. Afterwards, stick some hair all around this piece. Now, add yellow clay to the middle of it and then add the face of a lion out of it. Make the whiskers to it as well. Add the rest of the body. Draw on the arms and then draw on the tail of it as well. Next, we'll start off by taking a circular sheet of paper. Take this oval sheet, stick it underneath. Now take multiple strips of orange paper, fold it over, stick them all in a circle. Add the eyes to this, add a little snout, and then add a mouth as well. Add the whiskers on either end, add the ears at the top. Now add the paws at the bottom and add the detailing as well. Don't forget to add the tail. Next, we'll start off by taking a rectangular sheet of paper. Now cut out this heart shape out of pink paper and then draw the zigzag pattern on it. Make multiple patterns out of different hearts, join it all together as such, add lines coming out from it, add a bow on top of it. Next, we'll start off by cutting on multiple circular pieces out of different colored paper and multiple facial expressions on it. Now, arrange them all in the circular shape as such. Coming out from it, make multiple lines and then join it in the middle. Next, start off by cutting a circular shape out, fold it into half as such. Now, stick it in the middle, add another layer to it or fold it up as such. Cut out the sleeve-like shape, add it to the top. On top of this, add black dots all around. Add eyes to it and a smile. Next, start off by taking a red and orange sheet of paper, draw the shape of a maple leaf and then cut it out on both of these sheets. Now after this, fold them into half and then stick them side by side. Draw a stem coming out from both of these. Next, we'll start off by taking a sheet of paper, cut it up into this curved triangular shape. Now, cut out the stub out of white paper. Add polka dots onto your mushroom, stick them in layers as such and stick it onto your blue sheet of paper. Thank you for watching.